Welcome back, and we decided the best song for today would have to do with the weather that we're having. And I'm not sure what the weather's like where you are, but here in Arkansas where we are, it's a very rainy day. Rainy in the morning, and then it's supposed to be rainy in the evening again. And I know a song I like to sing about that, especially when I've been cooped up inside and I want to go outside. So we're going to sing that song today. This is Rain, Rain, Go.